All right guys, this video is going to be how to fix your clutch if it's engaging on its own. It makes a really loud chattering sound and it engages on its own while it's idling and immediately stalls out the engine. I'm going to show you what it's doing. It's grabbing. It makes a real loud, sounds like it's vibrating, like a chatter sound, and I'm almost certain it needs oiled. Hopefully it's not completely worn out, but I'm going to pull it here and hopefully you'll be able to hear what it sounds like. There we go, right there. And when it does that, it makes that noise, it engages and wants to take off and kill the engine. So I'm going to get my oil can and I'm going to show you how we're going to fix this. Okay, so my clutch is going to be a little different than most clutches just because this has got a belt pulley on it. Where most of them just have a little chain sprocket, but essentially it's the same thing. There should be like a bronze bushing in here. You can see where the outside of the clutch is moving and the inside is not, so we want to try to get oil in this groove right here. So I'm simply going to take my oil can and I'm going to oil this up really well out through here. I maybe roll it around a little bit. Oil it again, and this oil that I'm using here, I'm sure you could use just about anything you got on hand. I don't even know what's in this can, to be honest with you. It's either gear oil or 10W30. Another squirt just to be safe. And again, I don't want to get it on the working part of the clutch, the shoes and this drum here. I definitely don't want to get oil up under there. But hopefully that solves our problem out here on the end. I'm going to get a rag and clean off that excess oil, and I'll be right back. All right, so I got a rag and I clean that off as good as it's going to get, just simply because that's going to be flinging up on me if I go riding this thing again. And also I don't want it getting all over the belt. So let's see if we fix the problem here. If this thing will start. Looks good, sounds good. This thing was running so poorly that thing would have done it by now if it was going to do it. So I'm pretty happy with that. All right, well that solved my problem. I just got off this thing. I took it for a test ride. It's running great. So if I helped you with this video, guys, click that thumbs up button. If you want to see more videos like this, me working on this thing or any number of things out here in the garage, click the subscribe button. Until the next video, keep on tinkering.